Hello everyone, we are from Satu Gemilang class and we are from the STV group, which stands for Sharveen, Tamilselvan and Vishal. There are a lot of fun facts and knowledge to be gained beyond the Amazon rainforest. We hope that you all will be enjoying watching the video. Thank you.
This is the contents, and in this video we are going to see about the Amazon rainforest, introduction, and by the aspects of Amazon river, biodiversity, effects of coronavirus disease and MCO for the Amazon rainforest, conclusion, and finally final part. Let's join with us.
Let's see some fun facts about the rainforest. It is unquestionable that the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest and basin in the world. Statistics has shown that the rainforest encompasses 7 million square kilometers, of which 5.5 million square kilometers are rainforests. It covers an area of 40% of South America continent too. Includes parts of 9 South American countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Wow! I can't imagine myself how large is the rainforest.
This is the statistic of area of Amazon rainforest in each country. The Amazon rainforest was covered mostly by Brazil, that is 58.4%, following by Peru 12.8%, Bolivia 7.7%, and the Amazon rainforest was covered least by Ecuador, that is 1%.
The fascinating fact. You can't believe this. My question is, can we see the Amazon rainforest from the space? Yes, absolutely. We can see the Amazon rainforest from the space. Here is the proof.
Here is the proof for the question. We can see the Amazon rainforest and the river from the space. Let's we see some facts about the Amazon River. The Amazon River was located at the northern portion of South America continent. The river flowing from Andes Mountains in Peru and travels to 6 countries. They are Brazil, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Suriname, before ends at Marajó Bay in Atlantic Ocean. This is the diagram of Amazon River.
Amazon River is one of the most voluminous river in the world. It is at least 66 feet 20 meter deep at any particular point and up to 330 feet 100 meter deep at the deepest points. Amazon River is reaching an elevation of 18,366 feet 5,598 meter above the sea level. Amazon River is also the second longest river in the world, 6,400 km, after the Nile River, 6,650 km. The Amazon River provides 20% of the ocean's fresh water supply.
Friends, do you also know that up to 18 billion cubic meters of water discharged to the Atlantic Ocean per day by the Amazon River. It's equivalent to 209,000 cubic meters of water that discharge to the ocean per second. The Amazon River as a hidden twin river flowing below, named the Hamza River, flows 4 kilometers in underground and believed 4 times wider than Amazon River by scientists.
Now I'm going to make the differences between the Amazon River and the Hamza River. But have you guys heard about the Hamza River? Now I'm going to introduce y'all about the Hamza River. The Hamza River is an unofficial name for what seems to be a slowly flowing aquifer in Brazil and Peru, approximately 6,000 kilometers at a depth of nearly 4,000 meters. Its discovery was announced in 2011 at a meeting of Geophysical Society in Rio de Janeiro. The unofficial name is honor of Indian scientist Valia Manatal Hamza of Brazil's National Observatory, who has undertaken research on the region for 4 decades. The Hamza River and the Amazon River form a geologically unusual instance of a twin river system flowing at different levels of the Earth's crust. Let's see the differences of the Amazon River and the Hamza River from the aspect of length. The length of the Amazon River is 6,110 kilometers, while the Hamza River's length is 6,000 kilometers. Wow! Both of the rivers are very long. Next, let's see the breadth of Amazon River and the Hamza River. The Amazon River's breadth is 1 to 100 kilometers and the Hamza River's breadth is 200 to 400 kilometers. Fantastic! Let's see the flow of velocity of the Amazon River and the Hamza River. But do you guys know what's the meaning of velocity? Don't worry, I'll define the meaning of velocity. A velocity defines the speed of something in a given direction. So, the flow of velocity of the Amazon River is 0.05 to 5 and the Hamza River's flow of velocity 10 to the 8 to 10 to the 9. Let's see the flow rate of the Amazon River and the Hamza River. The flow rate of Amazon River is 133 and the Hamza River's flow rate is 3,900. Wow, a drastic difference.
Here is one more fascinating fact. Another time you can't believe this. It's really. Because my question is, who is this? Who is this in the picture? Sharveen, can you explain me?
Yes, I can. He is Martin Strel. He was born in Slovenia. Slovenia is a small central European country located south of Austria. He taught himself to swim when he was 6 in a nearby stream and became a professional marathon swimmer in 1978. Early in his life, he was a successful guitar player. He still plays guitar nowadays a little. Martin has been swimming ultra marathons and raising an important awareness of clean waters for many years. He has dedicated several swims to the protection of environmental resources.
Many people still cannot believe what he has done so far. So that's why they sometimes describe him as Jayabalan, fishman, human fish, or even the craziest man in the world. But he is a legendary Guinness Record marathon swimmer, has always been looking for the challenges of impossible, and the Amazon was the reason why.
On April 7th, 2007, Martin Strel completed his epic Amazon River swim all the way from Italia, Peru to the Atlantic Ocean at Belém, Brazil. He was struggling the river for 66 days for more than 10 hours a day and totally swam 5,268 kilometers or 3,274 miles. he became a worldwide hero. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places in the world. Over 3 million species live in the rainforest and over 2,500 tree species, 1 over 3 of all tropical trees that exist on Earth, help to create and sustain this vibrant ecosystem.
Why the Amazon rainforest is the most biodiverse place in the world? No idea? The solution is here. Because, see here, scientists have catalogued 40,000 of plant species. Not one, not two, but 40,000 of plant species and 16,000 of tree species, 3,000 of fish species, 1,300 of birds, 430 mammals, 1,000 amphibians, and more than 400 reptiles. Isn't it meticulous?
Let's we see some specific animals in the Amazon rainforest.
Poison dart frog is the common name of group of frogs in the family Dendrobatidae, which are native to tropical Central and South America. These species are diurnal and often have brightly colored bodies. This bright coloration is correlated with the toxicity of the species, making them aposematic. Some species of the family Dendrobatidae exhibit extremely bright coloration with high toxicity, while others have cryptic coloration with minimal to no amount of observed toxicity. The species that have great toxicity derive this from the diet of ants, mites, and termites. Other species, however, that exhibit cryptic coloration and low to no amount of toxicity eat a much larger variety of prey. Many of this family are threatened due to human infrastructure encroaching on their habitats.
Anacondas or water balls are a group of large snakes of the genus Unitis. They are found in tropical South America. 4 anaconda species are currently recognized. The world's largest anaconda was found in Amazon rainforest. It killed among 257 people in the forest. It's the heaviest snake in the world. The heaviest anaconda ever recorded was 227 kilograms. This massive snake was 8.43 meters long with a girth of 1.11 meters.
A piranha, often described as extremely predatory and mainly feeding on fish. Their dietary habits vary extensively and they will also take plant materials, leading to their classification as omnivores. The jaguar is a large felid species and the only living member of the genus Panthera native to the Americas. Its powerful bite allows it to pierce the carapace of turtles and tortoises and to employ an unusual killing method. It bites directly through the skull of mammalian prey between the ears to deliver a fatal blow to the brain. It runs 80 km per hour, the maximum.
Paraponera clavata is a species of ant, commonly known as the bullet ant, named for its extremely painful sting. It inhabits humid lowland rainforests in Central and South America. The bullet ant sting is currently the highest on Smith's sting pain index at 4.0 plus. According to Justin O. Smith, the pain is liking walking over flaming charcoal with 3 inches of nails embedded in your heel. Some victims compared the pain to that of being shot, hence the name of the insect. It is described as causing waves of burning, throbbing, all-consuming pain that continues unabated for up to 24 hours. We three of us already shared some information beyond the Amazon rainforest, Amazon River, and the biodiversity system in the rainforest. Now, I and my friends gonna share some informations about the effects of the MCO, that is Movement Control Order, and the pandemic COVID-19 to the Amazon rainforest. Let's see now.
2020 was supposed to be a make or break year for tropical forests. It was the year when global leaders were scheduled to come together to assess the past decade's progress and set the climate and biodiversity agendas for the next decade. These included emissions reductions targets, government procurement policies, and corporate zero deforestation commitments, and goals to set aside protected areas and restore degraded lands. COVID-19 upended everything. Now here, not even tropical rainforests escaped the effects of the global pandemic. Conservation was particularly hard in tropical countries.
2090's worst trends for forests mostly continued through the pandemic, including widespread forest fires, rising commodity prices, increasing repression and violence against environmental defenders, and new laws and policies in Brazil that undermine forest conservation. We are in the end of the video and we would like to give an evaluation to test your understandings. Let's see.
Watch the video about the Amazon rainforest and answer the quiz in the link given below. That's all from us. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed the video beyond the Amazon rainforest. For more videos, stay tuned with the STV group.